everyone. Whoop, Morgan and Bam here. Ember's over there. Okay, so today we're making a PVC bow. I've had a lot of people tell me to make this, and I've wanted to make this for a really long time. You know, I just think that this is such a really, well, if it all goes well, this could be a really effective and efficient way. I've heard great things about PVC pipe bows. So we went and got the PVC pipe, and we're just kind of measuring up. This is the center. Ooh, this is the centerpiece here, where your hand goes, and the arrow will rest. And then he's working on the limbs right now. We're wrapping Gorilla Tape around to kind of see. There we go. Yeah, looks. We're gonna see. We can always cut the limbs off a little bit, but we made them a little bit longer. Just kind of see the, you know, the length. I don't know if it's going to be a good length, but all right. So those are fiberglass tubes, right? Little fiberglass sticks, basically, right?
Yep.
So right now, just putting glue on the inside to secure the fiberglass sticks and the limbs. And then we put the fiberglass sticks inside. All right, so the fiberglass and the glue are inside to reinforce it. And so now we're just gonna let this set overnight just to make sure it's good and ready to go. And then in the morning, we'll continue. Good morning, everyone. Okay, so we've got the bow here. We're doing a few things. So we did the notches here. Did it about halfway. We're doing paracord for the string. We're actually making it look like a real bow here. So you really do need to bend it a little bit and have the string, you know, semi-short-ish to bend it like this. You don't want it straight up and down. So also Gorilla Tape was added to these connecting parts here. The inside is all glued and good to go. And another thing that you really want to do, that you really want to make sure that you're doing with your bow, is making sure that it's a good size for you. You know, like for me, I need to be able to string and unstring it myself. You know, and that's the case with any recurve, longbow, anything like that. So you want to make sure that it's not too tall and definitely not too short either. So next things we're going to do is we're going to line up the arrow. An arrow rest on the string, as well as an arrow rest here on the hand part. So we're almost ready. All right, so we've been running around all day, but I really want to give this a shot. I need to put an arrow rest and a little hand guard and all that kind of stuff, but I'm just gonna go give it a quick shoot and just see how it performs. And it's really windy today, so I'm gonna get pretty close because I just want to see how it shoots. I'm going like this to keep my head off from the wind. Pretty good. Let's try it. It really needs an arrow rest, you know, to kind of align it. It's kind of all over the place right now, but it feels really good. It pulls back really good. I don't hear any cracking. I don't hear anything. I'm going to keep shooting it a little bit just to kind of see how it goes. But so far, I'm really enjoying it. One more shoot.
Hit it on wet. Did it?
Pretty good. I'm really happy with this, actually. And it's really nice and lightweight. I can string it and unstring it myself. Oops. Really easy. I'm loving it. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll put a couple links down below to where you can find some instructions to do this yourself. I'll talk to y'all later. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Bye-bye. Rogue's gonna try. All right.
One, two.
Pull it back.
Pull it back. Pull, 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 pull.